Hello there, Mr. Boom here. Welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub, and in this video we're going to analyze the market for weekly, that means next Monday to Friday, and we will break down market trends, support and resistance and other strategies. So let's get started. So as per our trading style, we always start our analysis with high time frame, then we may go lower time frame to find out our proper path or direction. And as per you can see there is weekly time frame selected, and there is a bullish confirmation, that means bullish pin back confirmation to go buy after 2 weeks of bearish movement. Okay, and if I want to show you long-term market move is also strong bullish right now for long run. Okay, and if I want to get back into H4 to find out our daily time frame to find out our market path or direction, and as you can see there in daily time frame there is a rejection from the candle side, and as you can see there market just moved bearish 2 weeks and touch this zone 2 times, and it's just trying to go up, and again there was 2 days bearish movement, but due to this particular area we will see in detail in H4, due to this particular key zone or area market is unable to break or break down, and it's just trying to go up in weekly time frame, or it just moves a bullish movement or give us the bullish momentum in weekly time frame. So what we need to do, let's find out our proper entry or path on H4 time frame, that means 4-hour time frame. And if I want to draw the particular support, resistance and trend line areas, and as you can see there is our key trend line zone. If I want to make this perfect, and if I want to make a copy over here, as you can see there is the particular area, and exactly this trend line just touch this particular area and trying to go up. Okay, and trying to go up, and here one time breakout, again respected this area and again breakout, and as you can see there again breakout over here, and in fourth time it just touches here and trying to respect this particular area. So you ask me, Mr. Boom, what we need to do in that situation or in that case. So let find out our proper entry or proper direction. Okay, and if you especially want to see a demand zone over here, you can see, or you may see a demand zone in that particular area. Okay, that particular area. Okay, it's perfect now. And if I want to extend that area a little bit more, as you can see there, this is the perfection. Okay, and right now if I want to draw one more Fibonacci retracement area to get more confirmation from that particular area, as you can see there, this is our latest higher zone, and this is our latest lower zone, and also our 38.2 zone is located around this particular area. Okay, this particular area, that means 4053. Okay, and let's remove our Fibonacci retracement. We got our point, or we got our entry zone, and as you can see there, from my opinion or from my point of view, market will get down till 4053 or 4050 area, then we can consider a buy entry after a candle confirmation. We have to wait till a candle confirmation to take buy entry or to see buy entry. And if I want to draw another trend line area from that particular area, okay, from that particular area, you may see that this particular area is very important zone. And you may ask me, Mr. Boom, where to buy? You have to wait a candle confirmation, like a pin back confirmation, like a engulfing confirmation. As you can see there, in that each and every zone we have candle confirmation to go buy. So you have to wait for a candle confirmation, then we can consider a buy entry. Okay, then what would be your risk to reward ratio? We always take 1:3 risk to reward ratio. That means if your SL 50 pips, then your TP should be 150 pips. If your SL 100 pips, your TP should be 300 pips. This is the risk reward ratio. That means if you lose $10, your reward will be $30. Okay, $30. This is the particular scenario, or this is the particular zone. Okay, you have to wait for a candle confirmation for now, then we can consider a buy entry. You may ask me, Mr. Boom, what for the small time frame trader, or what for the small equity or small investor or scalper. Let's check the market for the scalper. For that, I will consider M15 time frame and rest remove all of previous drawings. Okay, now as you can see there is lot of from the market from past days, that means last Fridays, and we have to find out our direction in M15 time frame, especially for a scalper. And if I want to draw particular support and resistance areas or particular support and resistance zone, as you can see there, okay, and if I want to copy that, as you can see there is another zone or another area. Okay, now it just give us a breakout from there and then reaches our particular area and trying to go down. So we can take a sell entry, depend on the candle confirmation. If I got any candle confirmation to go sell, then we can take a sell entry. Our SL should be over there and TP should be over there. Okay, that means 1:3 risk reward ratio. You may ask me, Mr. Boom, why we sell there? In a higher time frame we may consider buy. Before buy we have to wait for the candle confirmation, or we have to wait a little bit drop. That could be this little bit drop to go sell. Okay, without market opening I do not recommend to take any entry or take any trades. You have to wait till the market open, then if you get any candle confirmation to go sell, then you can consider a sell entry. This is the way of our practice, or this is the way how we are trading or how we take entry. Okay, and there is few more things you have to consider while you are trading. Number one is Donald Trump specs. That means what are Donald Trump saying about tariff and other thing. That means geopolitical issues also, like what is the relation between China, Russia and USA. You have to consider that thing. And there is war related issue like Russia, Ukraine, Middle East tension and other thing. And there is another is tariff related issue with China, Russia or other country. Okay, so while you are want to trade or while you are going to take entry, you must have to consider this news also. Okay, so I will update a lot of thing in weekdays, and we are also sharing a lot of thing into our Telegram channel, a lot of technical analysis, fundamental news. So you may keep your eyes on our Telegram channel, also link in the video description box, so you will get the real-time update from us. So I hope all things clear now. Mr. Boom signing out.